What you see here on this table is a so-called CodeCity.
Looks cool.
Do you know code cities?
I have heard you mentioning them.
Could anyone tell Sarah more about code cities?
Suzanne is the expert on this.
Okay, fine. Let me explain. What you see in front of you is actually a visualization of the program you just contributed to.
Okay.
Each block here represents a method of your program, including those you changed and added. The height of a block represents the size of a method in terms of its lines of code. The ground area is proportional to a coupling metric.
Does this mean the higher a block, the more lines of code the method has? And the more often this method is called or is calling other methods, the larger its ground area?
Right.
And not to forget the color. Green means that the test coverage of a method is 100%, while red means it wasn't tested at all.
Oh well, there are quite a few red ones.
Not just a few.
You can also see the new and changed methods. The new ones have this green antenna, while changed methods are marked with a yellow antenna.
I understand. So this big and red block there marked by a green antenna is a new large, but untested method.
This is interesting. Can we take a closer look? We want all large and complex methods be well tested.
The name of this method is write Boolean array. That's one of yours. Do you want to see its source code?
Yes, of course.
Fine. Here you see the source code. It is part of the class supercompact data output. It looks rather complicated. Well, I must admit that I don't understand it. Wow, I am impressed. You must be a genius. But I am asking myself why this method is not tested. The block is red.
Good question indeed.
Where is this method called from?
Here in the methods marked by a yellow antenna. These are existing methods where I added the call.
Okay, let's take a look at the code diff.
It's so useful that we have the link to the source code.
Nice.
The green line was added. You added a new field supercompact. And you added this constructor call. But your constructor is called only if the field supercompact is true.
That was my intention.
Oh well, it is initialized as false. No wonder that your method is not called.
Oh yes, true. I wonder how this has gone unnoticed. At the level of source code, I can't see the forest for the trees.
I guess we need to revise our tests.
I agree.
Great that we could spot this problem in the code city.